I remember on one trip, and then once I realised I could do it, I did it many times. You could generate 4 sunsets. So you start off at 1,000 feet, you watch a beautiful sunset, and then you climb very rapidly to 10,000 feet. The sun rises and you wait there at 10,000 feet, the sun sets again. Do the same to 20,000 feet, 30,000 feet, 40,000 feet. When you're up at 50,000 feet, you see the curvature of the earth. Not many people get to see that, and it's just awesome. In the civilian sector, you can do a lot of good there as well. So we're using the aircraft to find people, and if those people are in distress because of the data link, the real-time service, we save their lives, literally.
I am seized by the notion to deter aggression, to ensure that the lifestyle that we enjoy, which is too easy to take for granted, is preserved and protected. And I was and I am very proud to have played a part in that, both in my service in the Royal Air Force and now lastly in DEA Aviation Ltd. We are right at the end of that decision chain. We are gathering information and ensuring that key decision makers have that information in a timely fashion, in a manner that they can easily digest it.
The goal of intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions is to get exactly the right piece of information to the right place at the right time. And that's really, really difficult to do.
My name is John Sullivan. I'm the Head of Operations at DEA Aviation Ltd.
My name is Dickie Patrones. I'm the Director of Business Development at DEA Aviation Ltd.